The Costanera Center is a commercial and business complex located in the commune of Providencia, Santiago, Chile. Owned by Cencosud, the complex consists of 4 skyscrapers, including the Gran Torre Santiago, 2 high-end hotels, an office building, and a 6-floor shopping mall. The Gran Torre Santiago, which stands as the tallest of the 4 buildings, was designed by renowned architect Cesar Pelli and measures 300 meters, 980 feet tall. It is the second tallest building in Latin America, following Torres Obispado, and the 5th tallest in the Southern Hemisphere, after Indonesia's Autograph Tower and Luminary Tower in Jakarta and Australia's Q1 on the Gold Coast and Australia 108 in Melbourne. One of the other buildings in the complex is 170 meters, 560 feet, high, while the other is only 4 stories. Construction of the Costanera Center was temporarily halted in January 2009 due to the late 2000s recession. The developers were concerned that they would not be able to find tenants if completed by the originally proposed date. After the recession ended, Cencosud announced that construction would resume on December 16, 2009. The construction process restarted at the end of 2010. On February 14, 2012, the Gran Torre Santiago reached 300 meters and became the tallest building in South and Latin America. The mall in the complex, designed by Canadian retail agency Watt International, opened on June 12, 2012, and is the largest in South America. It comprises 6 floors and includes the Jumbo hypermarket. That is all, and see you again.